Okay. Hello viewers, once again I said we're going to look for another one that has to do with minus and plus, looking at the different signs. You can see that here is plus plus, but here is minus and plus. So I'm going to eliminate the inside one. That means I'm going to eliminate y. Then how do I do it? Remember from the signs I said. So now I'm going to eliminate y. I ask myself, the coefficient of y here is plus 3 and minus 1. But I have to make them equal. As I said, I can call this equation 1 and I can call this equation what? 2. So if I'm to do that, their signs are not the same. Their coefficients are not the same. I'm going to make their coefficient to be what? The same. You get it? Yeah. Now, so what we do, I can multiply this by 1. It will remain like that. That means 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. I can call this, since it's the same, I don't need to change it. It still remains my equation 1. So the second one is 3x minus, I will say equation 2 times by 3. Because what I have here is 1. I want it to have the same coefficient, the same number of coefficient, 3, 3. So if I multiply this by 3, so 3 times, everything here will have to be multiplied. So 3 times 3x will give us what? 9x. Minus 3 times 1 here will give us what? 3. Is equal to 3 times 23 will give us what? 69. I can now call this equation 3. Are we here? So we are working with these two. Now I said when the signs are different, you should add. Is that what I said? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to add it. Add it. Why did I say so? In addition, I'm not talking about multiplication. Please pay attention, my viewers. I'm not talking about, because these signs normally give people problem. So when you're talking about minus plus minus, somebody say minus times minus, they are not the same. Please pay attention to that. They are not the same. So I'm doing minus plus plus, or minus is a different ball game than saying minus times minus times plus. This is not the same. These are the middle ones. These are the middle ones. This is not the same. This is additional. Why this is what? Multiplicational. This is additional or subtractional. So now, and when the coefficients are the same, if they are the same, that means, as my first example, 3 mangoes minus 3 mangoes will give you what? 0. So therefore this will give you what? 0. 3y and this will go, because I'm using what? Plus. So 3y plus, let me say it here, this is this, plus 3y plus minus 3y, and this will give you plus 3y. This is where I'm going to do the multiplication. So if I open this bracket now, it becomes minus 3y. So plus 3y minus 3y will give you what? 0. Have you seen it? Plus 3y minus 3y is equals to what? 0. This is the same thing if I say 3y minus 3y is equals to 0. So this and this are the same. So most times when you are writing something, when the minus is the beginning of the equation and plus is the beginning of the equation, because it makes no difference, they don't normally write it. But if it's a minus sign, they will put it there, because minus makes a huge difference. So that's why if you look at this one, it's a plus, it is not, nothing is written in front of it. Are we there? So this is that's why this goes up. So I will go here and put this back again so you understand it very clear. So I'm having 2x plus 3y is equals to 8, and I'm eliminating with 9x minus 3y is equals to 69. So what do? I said I'm going to do what? I'm using a plus. So this and this is gone. So Because of that, I'm going to use this and this. That is equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1 plus equation 3. That's how this went off. So this plus this will give me what? 11x. And this and this will give me what? 77. So I need to find x. I need to find what? X. So therefore x is equals to 77 over 11. Therefore x is equals to 7. Then I can find my y. I can go use this from equation 2. I can find my y. I have 3x minus y is equals to 23. What's my x? Substitute for x. Wherever you see x, call it 7. That's what I mean by substitute for what? X. This will give us 7 minus y is equals to 23. 3 times 7 will give you what? 21. Minus y will give you what? 23. What are we looking for? Y. But before then, we call it collection of like terms. CLT. Collection of like terms. So we can have minus y. The ones that are alike will go one side. Is equals to, we have 23 here. This is 21. Crossing this sign of equality, coming to join where 23 is, it becomes what? Minus 21. So we have minus y is equals to 23 minus 21 will give us what? 2. Are we there? So, but we are looking for y and not minus y. So we multiply everything with what? Minus, because minus times minus is plus. So minus times minus will give us plus. Yeah, plus y. Then this is a plus 2. Minus times in here will give you what? Minus 2. Or you divide both sides by minus. If you divide here by minus, the minus will go. If you divide here by minus, it becomes minus 2. So here, so you can also do your check back. Which one I'm going to use to do our check back? Let's use equation 1 to do our check back. Equation 1. So we have 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. Can we get? So let's put it there. What is our x? Our x is what? 7. So 2 times 7 plus, what is our y? Our y is what? Minus 2. 3 times minus 2. Let's see whether it will give us 8. See, this times this will give us what? 14. 3, this is plus 3 times minus. So minus times minus is what? Plus. Plus times minus is what? Minus. So here it comes to minus. 3 times 2, 6. 14 minus 6 will give you what? 8. If you also put it here, it's just the same thing. Here, 3x. If you put x is what? 7. 3 times 7 is 21. And y is here. Y is what? Minus 2. Minus times this minus will give you 4. Are we there? So, now, 21. Here will give you 2. Look at it. 3x minus y is equals to 23. Let's check. 3x is 7. Here becomes 21. Minus. The y is minus 2. So because of that, minus times minus is what? Plus. Y is 2. So which will give you what? 23. Either both. Use it to do your check back. Thank you and God bless you all.